Hi everyone. Today we will learn about Amazon's sponsored display advertising. Sellers and advertisers can advertise on and off Amazon in multiple ways. Let's see what is sponsored display advertising and how sellers or advertisers can make use of it. So to advertise on Amazon, you'll have to either go to amazonadvertising.com or you can search for Amazon advertising on Google with keywords Amazon advertising. So when you search for Amazon advertising, you'll see a link both in the paid search and in the organic search. Let's click this link. So when you click on this link, you'll reach on Amazon Ads page, where you'll see various ad products and ad product options to connect with the customers, then brand shopping experiences, and the ad text, which tools you can use to improve your campaign measurement. But today, the focus of our presentation is the sponsored display ads on Amazon. Let's see. There are multiple ways you can connect with your customers through ads on and off Amazon, which is you have sponsored products, then sponsored brands, and sponsored display ads. So what is sponsored products? You can showcase your individual products with ads that appear in Amazon shopping results. With sponsored brands, you can drive discovery of your brand with ads that appear in Amazon shopping results. And sponsored display. Here you can engage with shoppers on and off Amazon with self-service display ads. So we are going to learn about this today. So let's see what are sponsored display ads on Amazon and how we can use self-serve advertising to reach out to our customers. As such, connecting with customers across the shopping journey it's a complex process, and only about 6% of shoppers convert to purchase immediately. So you'll be surprised to know that on average, about 10 detail page views happen before a customer makes a purchase, and it takes about 5 to 6 days between the initial browsing and the purchase. So it's not a simple process. Sponsored display is a self-service display advertising solution which helps grow the business of the advertiser or the seller by reaching the relevant shoppers. So in sponsored display, the creatives are auto-generated along with the pricing, rating, and placements. So if you see here, you'll have to choose your campaign type, and you'll choose sponsored display. There are other options like sponsored products, where you can advertise your products, and sponsored brands and sponsored display, but you'll have to choose sponsored display. So the creatives are auto-generated, and creatives can be customized with unique headline and highlighting the unique selling proposition to engage the relevant shoppers. You have the options of cost per click and cost per impression-based self-serve ads. And there is a bidding process, and the minimum bid is ₹1. It enables advertisers to target customers on product details page. So Amazon ads help drive engagement with compelling creative that encourages conversion. So in the image below, you see the multiple elements of the creative. Here you have the logo, then the headline is there, product title is there, product title is there, then the review rating is there. How many stars have the customers given to this? Then shipping badging, whether it's a prime customer or a normal customer, and the subscribe and save badging is there. Pricing is very clearly mentioned here. Then there is a product image and the deal badging. If there is any discount, like here you can see save 5%. As we can see, the creatives are auto-generated at campaign launch and automatically updated as product pages changes. And they can be customized with unique headline and logo. There is a product description. There is a product description, image, price, star rating, as we have seen in the product image in the previous slide. And deal badging is there. Creatives direct to the detail page to help drive the conversion. If you look at the custom image creative, these are the specifications of the creative. It should be at least 1200 by 628 pixels in 1200 pixels in length and 628 pixels in width. And it can be, the format can be PNG, JPEG, or GIF formats. And there should be no text, graphics, or logo may be added to the image to emphasize the proposition. There are multiple targeting types, as we can see. There is product targeting. Uh, uh, See, if you understand the funnel, marketing funnel, there are various stages to the funnel. There is an awareness stage, then consideration and conversion stage is there. And then finally, the customer is converted and then the loyalty stage comes. What kind of advertising is right at the different stage of the marketing funnel? Product targeting type of targeting is relevant for consideration and conversion stage. Views and purchase remarketing. Now, remarketing is when you have already got in touch with the customer. The customer has either visited your website or mobile site and but did not make a purchase. So you can reach out to the same customer with the remarketing ads. Then Amazon audiences. Now, what is Amazon audience? Amazon audiences gives advertisers access to a large catalog of audience segments that are easy to use and ready to go. We'll learn about audiences in the slides, in the a few slides from now. These are custom-built audiences which uses Amazon's shopping signals to remarket with intuitive, flexible targeting controls. Now let's learn about these targeting types in detail. Product targeting. This is another type of targeting. Uh, uh, Product targeting gives you more ways to find and engage the high intent shoppers on Amazon. When we say high intent shoppers, the probability of conversion of these shoppers is higher. Here you can target by category or by product. By category, we can target categories and further refine with brand, price range, and review star rating. When we say product, we can target specific competition or best-selling ASIN. Now, what is ASIN? Amazon gives each and every product its specific unique identifier number, which is known as ASIN. You can also do similar product targeting. The advertisers can now reach audiences on product details page for the similar substitute and complementary products to your advertised product. So it has a higher probability of driving traffic and improve click-through rate to the advertised product. You can do advertising of the similar product and similar product targeting can be done to target other products. Then you have the views and purchase remarketing. Now, what is this? As I told you, the remarketing is the type of marketing where you reach the customer which you have already reached earlier, either on the website or on the mobile site. So these are engaged audiences, and we can leveraging custom look back window. You can have custom look back window of 7, 14, or 30 days. You can convert missed sales by engaging Amazon audiences who have viewed specific product details page but have not purchased. And the look back window is 7, 14, or 30 days. Then there is purchase remarketing. There are two types of remarketing. One is views remarketing, and there is purchase remarketing. You can also reach shoppers who purchased your advertised products or other related products or product categories and brands and other product features. So you can leverage this to assist upsell, cross sell, and drive repeat purchases for your brand. Here, the look back window is 7, 14, or 30 days. Then you can reach Amazon audiences. You can use exclusive Amazon audiences to reach potential interest, who have the potential interest in your products. Uh, these are in-market audiences, interest-based audiences, lifestyle audiences, and live event audiences. So, in-market segments allow advertisers to engage audiences who have been recently shopping for products in the given category, say in last 30 days. Then lifestyle targeting as campaigns that map to specific lifestyles, such as affluent shoppers, travelers, expected parents. Then you can do interest-based targeting. You can engage audiences who share a common interest based on Amazon browsing and purchase signals such as health and fitness customers, gardening and horticulture customers. You can also do targeting based on life events. You can give brands the opportunity to introduce relevant products and services to shoppers based on life moments such as recent movers, 1 to 3 months. So various optimization types are available on Amazon. The three bid optimizations are now available to help optimize bidding. What are the types? Viewable CPM is there, which is VCPM. You can optimize for viewable impressions bidding per 1,000 impressions, and help advertisers derive the value of their awareness efforts as they optimize for viewable impressions. So this is CPM based bidding, cost per 1,000 impression based bidding, and then you have cost per click based bidding or CPC bidding. On CPC bidding, you can optimize for page visits and you can optimize for conversions. Then when you look at attribution, attribute sales when customers click on or views the display ad, and attribute sales only when the customers click on the display ads. So, what kind of attribution is there on the viewable CPM ads? So, it attributes sales when the customer click on or views the display ad. And on CPC based bidding, they attribute sales only when customers click on the display ads. Uh, then you can evaluate the campaign performance in real time. There are multiple metrics of evaluation. Key metrics that are available are impressions, clicks, click-through rate, spend, cost per click, orders, sales, ACOS, and new to brand. There are multiple types of reports that you can download, campaign-based, targeting-based, and the advertised products. There are two new terms in the metrics. One is ACOS and the other one is new to brand metrics. So let us see what are these both terms. What do these terms stand for? ACOS. So ACOS stands for Amazon Cost of Sales, and it is a metric used to measure Amazon pay-per-click advertising campaigns. It compares the amount spent on PPC campaigns to the amount earned, and it helps determine if your brand generated campaigns that were cost efficient. Amazon ACOS helps measure the performance of sponsored product ads on Amazon. And let's see what is new to brand metrics. So it says that in addition to the addition of new to brand metrics gives advertisers better visibility into more than 100 campaign reporting metrics. It doesn't specify which hundreds metrics these are. And new to brand metrics give visibility to advertisers to determine whether an ad attributed purchase was made by an existing customer or a new buyer for the brand's product on Amazon within a year. The new to brand metrics share campaign performance, including total new to brand purchases and sales, new to brand purchase rate, and cost per new to brand customer. Advertisers will have the tools needed to estimate the cost of acquiring new customers on Amazon and identifying the most efficient channels and tactics to achieve their campaign goals. So brands can increase their homepage visibility on desktop and mobile with sponsored display audiences, and they can help increase coverage on product details page and search page with product targeting, as you can see in these images of the ads on the search page and on the product details page. Now, this is a case study of Maxima watches, who leveraged sponsored display remarketing to drive higher consideration for new smartwatch. So they retargeted mid-funnel customers by category and advertised product view remarketing, driving higher GVs to the newly launched smartwatch. The brand generated 9 times return on ad spend with the campaign, and a lower advertising cost, and it lowered the advertising cost of sales by 22%, and a higher CTR of 3 times higher, 3.3 times higher CTR. Tips for scaling sponsored display campaigns. So what can you do to scale up the sponsored display campaigns? Brands can advertise 10 or more ASINs, ASINs, within a campaign, add category targeting and refinement, use both product and audience targeting, and add custom headline and logo to the creative. So advertisers who advertise 10 or more ASINs have 62% better return on ad spends than advertisers who advertise one ASIN only. So here you can see the images of the 10 products for the ad for this advertiser. Ad category targeting and refinement. Advertisers who targeted both products and categories using sponsored display products targeting saw 10 times higher ROS for their campaign versus those advertisers just targeting either one. So when targeting at these 3 categories, ACOS is 11% lower. Use category refinement. When using price refinements, ACOS is 22% lower. Use both advertising, use both audience and product targeting. So we can combine the tactics with use remarketing to re-engage interacted consumers. So advertisers who chose both the targeting options saw 9% lower advertising cost of sales than only product targeting. Add custom headline and logo. So sponsored display has multiple ad sizes featuring a custom headline and logo. We recommend, so Amazon recommends you to add both logo and custom headline when creating a campaign. I hope you like this presentation. And if you like this presentation, please give it a thumbs up.